Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Colab with GitHub. To begin, open Google Colab in your browser and make sure you are on the main welcome page. This is where you can manage notebooks, connect services, and adjust your preferences before saving work to GitHub. Starting from the welcome screen makes the setup process much easier and helps ensure you are in the right place before changing any settings. Once you are there, move to the top right corner and click on Settings. This area contains the options that control how Colab interacts with other tools and services. If you are connecting GitHub for the first time, this is where you will enable that link. Inside the Settings window, click on GitHub. This section is specifically for managing GitHub access from within Colab. It lets Colab communicate with your repositories so you can save notebooks directly without needing to download files manually first. Next, click Authorize with GitHub. At this stage, Colab will request permission to access your GitHub account. This authorization step is important because it allows Colab to create or update notebook files in your repositories when you choose to save them there. You will then be taken to the GitHub sign-in page. Click Sign in to GitHub and complete the login process if needed. Be sure to review the authorization screen carefully so you understand what access is being granted. This is a standard connection step when linking one platform to another, and once it is approved, Colab will be able to work with your GitHub account more smoothly. After that, return to Colab and click Save in the Settings window. Saving confirms the connection and applies the changes you just made. If you skip this part, the authorization may not be fully stored, so it is worth taking a moment to make sure the setting has been saved successfully. Now go to the top left corner of Colab and click File. The File menu contains the main options for creating, opening, and saving notebooks. Since your GitHub connection is now in place, this menu is where you will use it. From the File menu, select Save a Copy in GitHub. This option lets you send the current notebook directly to a GitHub repository. It is a convenient way to back up your work, share it with others, or keep version history as your notebook changes over time. And that's it. Your Google Colab environment is now connected to GitHub, and you are ready to save notebooks directly from Colab into your repository.